Hey there and welcome to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn and in this tutorial video I'll be showing you how to operate the functions of the Toyota Smart Key. For this video I'm demonstrating on the 2020 Toyota Highlander Limited. And just know that some of the functions on the key may vary depending on your Toyota model and trim line. So on the key fob you have the lock button, the unlock button, the open lift gate, and alarm button. When you press the lock button, all the doors and the liftgate will lock. It's kind of hard to see because of the light, but the front headlights are flashing to let me know it's locked. When you press the unlock button once, the driver's door will unlock. By pressing it twice, all of the doors are going to unlock, and that's also shown by the headlights going off. To open the liftgate, you press and hold the liftgate button, and it will let out a beep to let you know that it's going to open, and then it will open automatically. To close the liftgate, you press and hold the same button again. It will let out a beep to let you know it's closing, and it will close automatically. To activate the alarm, press and hold the bottom red button on your key fob. To cancel the alarm, the simplest way is to press the unlock button once. Now you can get audible and visual confirmation of these features by a beep tone and or by the headlights, tail lights, and side mirror lights flashing. You can use your key fob if you wish, but the convenience of the Smart Key allows you to lock and unlock your vehicle just using the driver's door handles. So on the driver's door, there are two grooved lines and there are also sensors along the inside of the handle. So the fob's now in my pocket. As long as it's on your person, this will work. By lightly pressing the two lines, the vehicle will lock. You'll hear a beep tone and notice the lights flash, especially the lights on the side mirrors. So now I'm going to go ahead and lock it, and you'll see the side mirrors flash, so I know it's locked. I'm going to check the back door to make sure it's locked. You can put your hand on the inside of the handle, which has the sensors, and that will cause the driver's door to unlock. You can see the lights go on now. I'm going to open the driver's door to show you it's unlocked. Now at this point, the back doors are still locked. I'm going to lock the vehicle with the two grooved lines again, and you will see the light go. And now I'm going to place my hand on the sensors, and I'm going to hold them a little longer. The side mirror will blink for a second time, and then all of the doors on the vehicle will be unlocked. Now on some models, it also has the grooved lines on the passenger door. Every time you see the grooved lines, you know that the feature of the Smart Key will operate on that particular handle. In this case, I see the grooved lines, so if I click those, it will lock all of the doors from the passenger side. And then when you put your hand on the handle, it will unlock all of the doors of the vehicle. And I'm checking the back door just to show it is unlocked. Now I will be demonstrating how to operate the remote start feature using your vehicle's Smart Key. So keep in mind, especially for this part, not all models or trim lines will have this option. Okay, so I'm going around to the front of the vehicle so you can see what it does a little bit better. It's important to remember that the vehicle must be locked before starting the engine. So I'm going to make sure it's locked using the key fob first. And you can see the lights on the headlights a little better here. So now I'm going to press lock, lock, and press and hold the lock button. It's very important to do this in a consecutive fashion, so it's click, 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 hold. And you'll notice that the four ways will go on after you've held it for a while. And once you see the four ways, you can let go of the button and your engine will start. So right now the engine is started. Now once I press unlock button, it will stop the engine and flash the headlights. So once you unlock the vehicle, the engine will shut off. And now once you get into the vehicle, you will have to manually turn the engine on with the push start and the brake. When starting your vehicle using the Smart Key fob, the engine will stay on for 10 minutes before turning off automatically. Okay, now let's take a closer peek at the Smart Key fobs. Here I have two styles of Smart Key fobs to show you. The style of the Smart Key depends on the vehicle that you've purchased. If the battery is dead in the smart key, there will be a little latch at the bottom of the fob. When you click the latch to the left and gently pull, a physical key will be released. You can use this to enter your vehicle. To start your vehicle with a dead fob battery, you must hold your smart key right up next to the push engine start button, and you'll get approximately 2 starts until you require a new fob battery. On the second type of smart key, there will be a button to push on the side of the fob that will release the physical key. To change the battery in your fob, there's a little slit inside that fits the end of the key. Insert the key and turn sideways, and the fob will open like a clamshell. The battery will be right inside if you'd like to change it by yourself. Alright, so that is your crash course for how to use your smart key for your Toyota vehicle. I hope you feel a little bit more confident now. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota, and we're here for you.